I'm here in Amsterdam and this is the Art'Otel. I'm in room 1012. Let's start here. As you walk in, like with most hotels in Europe, you need a card to turn the lights on. Here's your control for your lights. And then to your right here is the bathroom. A nice big mirror. You have a mirror over here for makeup. They have Elemis products here. Underneath you have your towels, your bath towels, hair dryer, scale, bath mat. There's my card from the train. Little trash can, your hand towels, hooks. Let's check out the shower here. There's a nice big rainfall shower head, a handheld shower head. Nice size little shower room here. And you have your toilet room. Now we have the closet here. You have some hanging space there. Ironing board. You get robes and slippers. Place to store some stuff. And then where your coffee maker is, you have some cups, wine glasses, coffee cups, espresso cups, outlets. And then above that is your safe. It will hold a smaller laptop. And then you have a water kettle up there. Down below here, here's your coffee. There we go. Here's your mini bar, and there is a spot for your personal items if you want to put something in there yourself. There's your controls for the heat and air conditioning. And then next to the bed here, you have your table. You have another outlet, plus controls for the lights. This is a king bedroom. Here's some art. Then you got another full-length mirror here. Now this looks like it's a really big TV, but as you can see, it's just the center spot here. That's the TV. Desk, table and lamp. And then my view has the train station across the way there. Once again, this is the Art'Otel in Amsterdam, and this is room 1012. Thanks for watching. I'm getting ready to leave the hotel, so I thought I'd give a little update. And the wall behind me does have a switch so that you can make that wall opaque or see-through. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here I am in the bathroom. There is the switch there. And as you can see, it is see-through currently. And now it's opaque. And the other thing I wanted to talk about was the bed. This is a memory foam bed, and it was very comfortable, and the pillows were great as well. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye.